Slider Windows Eagle installation, Idaho, is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Our professional window installers in Eagle ensure a seamless installation process, providing custom slider windows that fit perfectly into your home. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, we offer vinyl slider windows that are both durable and stylish, making them an excellent choice for any residential or commercial property. Window replacement services in Eagle, Idaho are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Our Eagle, Idaho window replacement services include a wide range of options, from double-pane windows to insulated windows, ensuring that your home remains energy efficient and comfortable year-round. Our team of experts provides window design consultation to help you choose the best window upgrades for your specific needs. Energy-efficient windows in Eagle are a smart investment for any homeowner looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Our selection of energy-efficient windows Eagle includes double-pane windows and insulated windows, designed to keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. With our window sealing services in Eagle, Idaho, you can rest assured that your windows will provide maximum efficiency and performance. Custom Slider Windows Eagle, Idaho offers a unique opportunity to personalize your home with windows that reflect your style and preferences. Our window customization Eagle, Idaho services allow you to choose from a variety of materials, finishes, and designs to create the perfect look for your home. Whether you prefer vinyl slider windows Eagle or another material, our team will work with you to ensure your vision becomes a reality. Vinyl slider windows Eagle are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows are designed to withstand the elements while providing excellent insulation and energy efficiency. Our window maintenance Eagle services ensure that your vinyl slider windows remain in top condition, offering long-lasting performance and beauty. Double-pane windows Eagle, Idaho are an excellent choice for homeowners seeking to improve their home's energy efficiency. These windows feature 2 layers of glass with a space in between, providing superior insulation and noise reduction. Our window repair services Eagle can address any issues with your double-pane windows, ensuring they continue to perform at their best. Window repair services Eagle are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Our team of experts can handle everything from window frame repair Eagle, Idaho to glass replacement Eagle, ensuring that your windows remain in excellent condition. We also offer window hardware Eagle, Idaho services to address any issues with locks, handles, or other components. Residential window services Eagle, Idaho cater to homeowners looking to enhance their property's curb appeal and energy efficiency. Our comprehensive range of services includes window cleaning Eagle, window tinting Eagle, Idaho, and window safety features Eagle, ensuring that your windows are both beautiful and functional. Our professional window installers Eagle are dedicated to providing top-quality service and results. Commercial window solutions Eagle are designed to meet the unique needs of businesses in the area. Our team offers a variety of services, including sliding glass doors Eagle, Idaho, and window measurement services Eagle, to ensure that your commercial property is equipped with the best windows.